Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. This is Wyatt. I'm Laura if you're new to my channel, and Zena is the one that's going to hide over here. I don't know how much of her you can even see. She might be hidden pretty good. Wyatt's just going to go to sleep. I've been working them pretty hard today. For today, I have double Boxy Charms for you. These are my April Boxy Charms. I didn't get a chance to share with you, so we're going to do 2 boxes in one. Love my Boxy Charm. Let's dig right in. If you are not familiar with Boxy Charm, they do offer 3 different plans. First up is the base plan for $25 a month. That's the smaller box. Comes every month. You usually get products valued at around $150 to $175 every month. 5 items, and if you're paying attention to your email, which I'm not so good at, you get to pick one of the items. They'll give you choices for you to help to choose one. Then they have Boxy Premium, which I think is this one. This one is $10 more than the base. It's $35 a month, valued at around $235 worth of product, typically, depending on what variation you get. 6 to 7 items, and again, if you're paying attention, you get to choose one of those items. You'll be offered some choices and you can make one of those. And then the third option is Boxy Luxe. That comes on a quarterly basis. It's $49.99. You get 8 to 9. All of these are full-size items. You get to choose up to 2, and it's all beauty and lifestyle products. Okay, we're gonna start with my base. And the theme is Sweet Treats. Love all that color. Looks just like Easter, doesn't it? Yep. And on the back, it tells you all of the items that are inside your collection and the values of them. And Wyatt apparently hears something. What is that noise, YY? All right, so let's get right to it. First up, you being bad. You hear something. First up is Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. First of all, look how pretty this container is. Love the palm leaves on here and the pink. Birds of Paradise, is that what that is? This one says, what do you think? It's valued at $16. It says a volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. The quick dry formula locks in curls. What are you doing? While the custom petite sized hourglass applicator is designed to lay it on thick and separate lash by lash for a full feathered fringe. I don't know if my son is up or what the noise is, but he hears something out there. Here's what the brush looks like, if you guys can see that. I always love trying out new mascaras, so I'm on board with this one. Next up, this is Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Mask. I love vitamin C on my skin. Do you guys like vitamin C? I do. I got a bottle of it, which I'm going to hopefully share in an empties video in the future, that I love, and I'm out. So this is great. It is valued at $36. And it says, revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with a powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen and production. It's a clay-based mask, draws out impurities, allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize your skin. So let's see what size this one is. It's 1.7 ounces. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then gently rinse. Sounds easy enough. Okay. Next up, oh, Natasha Denona. Denona? I see, it's easy. You're gonna make a break for it. You didn't even say hi yet. All right, so let's see this palette. Oh, this is pretty, pretty, pretty. Check out this palette. I like that. I like these colors. So this is the Ayana eyeshadow palette, a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxy Charm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades and a range of muted browns with a touch of sparkling metal green tourmaline, inspired by the Japanese meaning of Aya, meaning color and design, combined with Na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's the perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated, classic looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. So this is valued at $48, and apparently Wyatt is just going to keep wanting to see what's outside, so I'll be right back. Okay, and that little pause reminded me I didn't actually get to show you how everything is typically packed in the box. So this is all bubble wrapped, make sure nothing is damaged when it arrives. Oh, okay, so next up is called Monocator Pluck It 2-piece tweezers. Love to have tweezers on hand. This is awesome. I'm glad they actually included these. These are valued at $18. It's a 2-piece tweezer set. It's time to say pluck it to bad brows. The tweezer set contains 1 slanted tweezer for precise plucking and 1 pointed tweezer for isolating a single hair. Let's see if I can dig into this and show it to you. Love that they sent 2 different kinds. Oh, you can see that. You can see that right in the, while it's even still in plastic. See the 2 different points? Oh, I love that. I don't even own one like this. I own this kind. So this is awesome. And my family's always sharing it, so this will be great to have a new set. I love it. Oh, perfect. This is great. All right, so what else? I have one last item in here. This is called Touch in Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. Silicone free and cool affecting. Pretty filters. This is valued at $32. It says, lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. This sounds fascinating. I'm going to see what it looks like. It comes in a very pretty little container here. Let me open it if I can. Here we go. So that's what it looks like. It's like a gel. Oh, it smells fabulous. Woo, smells like a spa. I love it. All right, that is all the pieces in my Boxy base box. So I got this awesome primer, the eyeshadow palette, mascara, the vitamin C mask, as well as my tweezers. Love. Okay, this was a great, great, great collection. Let's now get to my Boxy Premium. This one is $10 more each month. And it tells me right inside, this one is my premium box. Same theme for April, but of course, different pieces. So first up, I'm seeing, this one is packed similarly, so make sure that nothing is damaged. And the first item here is Feeling Vibrations by your Inc. Dot Incredible Crystal Ball Roller Duo. And it's by Nails Inc. London. So it's a roller gloss lip duo. So this is valued at $24. It said the glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe the lips. The glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras, enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties. And I have 2 of them here. One is, let's see. One is like got purpley like a lavender. It looks like, oh, look at the little stones in there. Do you see that? That is pretty cool. But I have 2 of them. This one has like white. All right, let's see what these look like. I don't see a different name on them. Maybe I'm just missing it, but I don't see. Oh, okay, at the bottom. This one is called Find Love. So this is the white stones. And this one is called Heal Yourself. All right, that's cool. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, love the gloss. Looks great. This also smells really good. It smells very fresh. I like it. Okay, we'll keep going because I could keep talking about this stuff. Oh, I got something from NARS. And this is blush valued at $30. Let's check out the shade here. Oh, this one looks dark. Oh, here's... See if I can get this plastic off of here and we can see what it looks like. There we go. Okay. There it is without the plastic. And let's see what it looks like. It looks pretty. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, I like it. Very pretty. All right, we'll keep going. Next up, I have something by Wander Beauty. This is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. It's valued at $68. Formulated with 1% retinol to amp up skin's natural renewal. It has a little pump bottle here. And help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone and texture. Squalane and peptides hydrate skin, improve elasticity, while dragon's blood helps soothe skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. All right, this looks like it's 1.35 ounces. That's how much is in here. Okay, what else? Dose of Color Eyeliner. This is valued at $15. It's a long-wearing creamy eyeliner, glides on easily, delivering a transfer-resistant, high-coverage matte finish, built-in sharpener included. Here's what it looks like. It's nice. It's very creamy feeling. I like it. I like the browns and the blacks when it comes to eyeliner. Typically, that's what I choose. All right, Marc Jacobs. Sequins Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. Well, I don't know about this. Glam Glitter. So this is Sequins Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. $26 is the value. A crease and fallout resistant long wear liquid glitter eyeshadow that makes it easy to shine no matter the occasion. Well, I'm not sure about this one. I'm not sure this is my color. Let's see here. Oh, no. So there it is, this orangey color. I'm not sure about that one for me. Okay, that's bright. Last item. This is by Tower 28, SOS Save Our Skin Daily Rescue Facial Spray. So this is valued at $28. It's a daily treatment spray designed to soothe, purify, and renew stressed out skin, featuring pure hypochlorous acid, a soothing and natural antibacterial compound found in the body's immune system. SOS has the National Eczema Association seal of acceptance and is safe for all skin types. Okay. So it's supposed to soothe, purify, and renew. And I guess you just Use daily AM and PM on freshly cleansed skin and let dry before using moisture. So I wasn't sure if it was something you added like during the day or if it's something that you put on as part of your makeup routine, which is what it sounds like. That's what I was looking for. Okay, and it's 100% natural. And that is everything. What did you think of all these items? So much, right? So for $35 in my Boxy Premium, the facial spray, eyeliner, the crazy, for me anyway, liquid eyeshadow, the blush palette, as well as the Wonder Beauty Overnight Repair Concentrate. And I got the amazing lip gloss. All right, so that's everything. What did you guys think? I do think for the value, Boxy Charm does a great job curating full-size products that, for the most part, I find to be very useful. Like, of all the things I just shared with you, there's only one item that I'm thinking probably isn't for me, and that's the eyeshadow, right, from Marc Jacobs. It just doesn't, I don't think it's my color, but it doesn't mean I won't try it first. But it's pretty orangey there. But I really think they do a great job. I'm trying to decide if I want to continue to get all of the boxes, or if maybe I want to stop getting either the base or the premium and just choose between one of them, but I haven't made up my mind yet, so still thinking about that. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll put all the information to Boxy Charm down below, including my link in case you want to give this a try. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like if you did. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. We do try to bring you a video each and every day. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.